Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical fishing hooks, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from fishing hooks, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing hooks dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Plusino 201 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit, Fishing Hooks. The Plusino 201 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit is a comprehensive collection designed for both novice and seasoned anglers, proudly brought to you by Plusino. Crafted from durable stainless steel and rubber, this set boasts a variety of hooks and accessories ideal for bass fishing enthusiasts. From offset worm hooks to round jig heads, each component is meticulously organized within the 16-compartment tackle box for easy access and identification. Compact in size, this kit measuring 5'6" x 4'6" x 1'3" fits seamlessly into fishing backpacks, seat boxes, or vests, ensuring convenience on the go. Built to withstand corrosion, these tools offer superior strength, guaranteeing a worry-free fishing experience. Versatile and adaptable, the kit allows for the creation of various rigs such as Texas rig or Carolina rig, suitable for different water environments. Whether as a thoughtful gift or personal investment, the Plusino Base Fishing Kit promises endless excitement and success on the water, making it an ideal choice for any angler's arsenal. Number 2. PWW Smartly 275 PCS Fishing Lure Set Fishing Hooks. Introducing the PWW Smartly 275 PCS Fishing Lure Set, a versatile arsenal for anglers of all skill levels. Crafted by PWW, this set features an array of meticulously designed lures and accessories suitable for targeting bass, trout, salmon, and more. With lifelike 3D eyes and durable construction, these lures ensure a successful catch every time. From small to large fish, the comprehensive set includes various crankbaits, spinners, soft lures, hooks, and more, all made from high-quality stainless steel and soft plastic for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Packaged in a portable plastic tackle box, measuring approximately 21-26 cm, this set is easy to carry and conveniently accessible, making it perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing adventures. Whether you're fishing in lakes, rivers, oceans, or streams, the PWW Smartly Fishing Lure Set is your go-to companion for a memorable and successful fishing experience. Number 3. Aorace Fishing Lures Kit Mixed Minnow Popper Crankbaits with Fishing Hooks. Introducing the Aorace Fishing Lures Kit Mixed Minnow Popper Crankbaits with Fishing Hooks, a comprehensive set designed to elevate your fishing game. Crafted by Aorace, this 84-piece collection features a variety of crankbaits, minnow lures, popper lures, and anti-bite steel fishing line, providing versatility for different fishing scenarios. These lures are designed to dive widely and can be maneuvered through various terrains, from open water to thick cover, thanks to their durable alloy steel and metal construction. Enhanced with lifelike details including 3D eyes, scales, and realistic paint jobs, these lures attract fish with ease. Equipped with super sharp treble hooks, they ensure a secure catch every time. With a left-to-right S-type swimming action, these lures trigger reaction strikes without needing to make contact with cover. Suitable for bass, perch, trout, pike, salmon, and more, this kit makes for an excellent gift for fishing enthusiasts of all levels. Number 4. Trussend Fishing Lures Accessories Kit with Tackle Box Fishing Hooks. Introducing the Trussend Fishing Lures Accessories Kit with Tackle Box, a comprehensive set designed to enhance your fishing experience. Created by Trussend, this 203-piece kit is perfect for both novice and experienced anglers, offering a wide range of accessories including jigs heads, fishing hooks, weights, sinkers, swivels, spinners, beads, leaders, and more. Crafted from premium metal materials, these accessories are highly durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring reliability in any fishing environment. The tackle box features removable dividers, allowing for easy customization and convenient storage in fishing seat boxes, backpacks, or vests. With endless rigging possibilities, from split-shot rigs to Texas rigs, anglers can unleash their creativity and adaptability to various fishing conditions. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, perch, or walleye, this kit is sure to meet your needs. Ideal as a gift for any fishing enthusiast, this practical and versatile set is perfect for Father's Day, Christmas, or any special occasion. Number 5. Super Theo Fishing Lures Set Fishing Spoons Frog Lures Fishing Hooks. Introducing the Super Theo Fishing Lure Set, a versatile collection designed to enhance your fishing adventures. Crafted by Super Theo, this set includes 17 mixed-colored fishing lures and a free tackle box, making it suitable for various fishing conditions and an ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts. Compact and portable, the tackle box easily fits into your fishing seat box, backpack, or vest pocket, ensuring convenience on every fishing trip. These lures are designed for both freshwater and some saltwater fishing, offering versatility for different fishing occasions. The tackle box measures approximately 950 x 2 inches, making it compact and lightweight for easy transportation. With a commitment to superior service, Super Theo provides a full 15-month worry-free warranty with lifetime support, ensuring your satisfaction and confidence in their product. Enhance your fishing experience with the Super Theo Fishing Lure Set and enjoy worry-free fishing adventures with 24-hour customer service support. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.